Deb Kennedy, and welcome to the Nature Trust of British Columbia. On Thursday, September 29th, we will celebrate our 40th anniversary, and you're invited. This lively event will highlight the Nature Trust's accomplishments over the last 40 years and feature the vocal talents of Il Voce, excellent food, and silent and live auction. The Nature Trust of British Columbia is a non-profit land conservation organization. We are dedicated to conserving our province's rich biodiversity. Since 1971, the Nature Trust of BC has acquired over 61,000 hectares of critical habitat for plants, fish, wildlife, and people too. Please mark September 29th on your calendar to join us for the Nature Trust's Let's Celebrate Gala. For tickets, please see the information below. We'll see you there.